Welcome to another video. Still too cold to ride here, but every day I go into my garage and I see the Navi sitting there, lonely and cold. So I'm starting to do a few little minor add-ons to it. So at the end of this video, I'll show me putting on custom Taylor 33 Warin tapes, and also the Honda Navi OEM rear rack. They're so super simple, you don't even need a tutorial. So you'll just get some little video clips. I also have the OEM windshield that I'm planning on putting on, but I'm waiting for the LED light kits and everything to get here so I don't have to tear it all apart more than once. So anyway, enjoy. I'm hoping to get the bike out this weekend. Supposedly it's going to be close to 50 degrees, and I've got some additional warm weather gear that I can wear now. So we will see. Talk to you again.